Welcome. Today, I'll show you how to unrestrict a profile on Instagram using the app on your PC with the latest update. If you've restricted someone before and want to change that, these simple steps will walk you through the process so you can manage your interactions with confidence. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your PC. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're in, look out for the search bar at the top of the screen. Type the name or username of the account you want to unrestrict. When you see their profile picture in the results, click on it to open their profile page. Now that you're on the person's profile, direct your attention to their profile controls. You should see a button or option that says Following. Go ahead and click on Following. A menu will pop up with different interactions you can perform with this account. Within this menu, you'll see an option that says Unrestrict. Click on Unrestrict. That's it. The account will be immediately unrestricted. After doing this, the person will be able to interact with your content as normal. They can comment freely, and their messages will appear directly in your inbox instead of the message requests. You'll also be able to see their comments without hidden filters. Remember, restricting is a useful feature if you want to control how someone interacts with your profile without blocking them. But if you've changed your mind, following these steps allows for quick changes. If you don't see the option right away, make sure the Instagram app on your PC is updated to the latest version. Updates often move features to new locations or change how menus look. Restarting the app can also refresh your changes, and that's all there is to it. Now you can quickly unrestrict any Instagram profile directly from the app on your PC, keeping your interactions as open or private as you want. Thanks for watching. And be sure to check out more tutorials for the latest tips and tricks.